Winter has arrived, and these months will decide one simple outcome. They will either soften you or shape you. For most people, winter looks harmless. Heavy blankets, slow mornings, endless scrolling, tired eyes, and quiet deals with themselves that say, "I will begin later." But a small group will turn these 90 days into a full reset. The real threat right now is not other people, not deadlines, not even failure. It is comfort. It is the voice in your head, that bed that feels safe, that feed that never ends, that whisper saying, "Relax, there is still time." Cold seasons reveal character. They show who trains discipline and who collects excuses. So this winter, do not drift through it. Use it with intent. Take control. And here is your winter framework. Rule 1 is intentional silence. Step back so you can return stronger. Remove distractions that steal focus. Remove apps that eat hours. Turn your phone into equipment, not entertainment, for the next 90 days. Go quiet, because progress is noticed when you return, not when you announce effort. Rule 2 is morning ignition. Your first hour trains your self-discipline. Wake without debate. Splash cold water on your face as soon as you stand. Move for 10 minutes. Walk, stretch, breathe. Begin before comfort can negotiate control. Rule 3 is focused study. Never work from your bed. That is where motivation fades. Sit at a desk like it's a control room. Start with the hardest task. Use timers, limits, and deep focus blocks. When you study, you enter execution mode. No noise, no excuses. Rule 4 is evening training. Resetting the body sharpens the mindset. Train every day. Gym, running, push-ups, anything that raises effort. Sweat out stress and hesitation. Strong habits build strong discipline. A trained body supports mental toughness. Rule 5 is review and reward. Do not live like a robot. Earn a small break after hard work. One episode, one short game, just enough to reset. Then write tomorrow's plan before sleep. End the day clear so the morning starts powerful. Most people will waste this winter. You are still here, which means you are different. You are tired of repeating the same year. You want focus, you want self-control, and you know this season is your opening. Winter does not reward comfort. Winter rewards commitment. This is your moment. Not later, not soon, now. Will you step into your winter arc? If yes, prove it. Comment below that you are starting. And if you want daily pressure, habits for men, and discipline habits that build an unbreakable mindset, like this video and subscribe to Silent Discipline. Every upload is designed to sharpen you and keep your fire alive all winter. This channel exists to help you build discipline through simple daily habits consistently now.